saffron's aroma, golden almonds crunch, presenting a royal winter soup. Now let's transform these simple ingredients into a rich and creamy saffron potato soup. Let's start by heating some olive oil in a pan. Add slivered almonds and 4 to 5 garlic slices, and saute them until they turn perfect golden brown. In the same pan, add a little more oil. Then add sliced onions and chopped green chilies. Saute them lightly. This forms a warm, aromatic base that blends beautifully with the saffron. Now add 1 cup of brown rice and toast it gently for a minute. Toasting the rice gives it a nutty flavor and makes the soup naturally creamier and more aromatic. Next, add 2 medium-sized potatoes. Season with salt and pepper. Mix well. Use waxy potatoes like red, white, or Yukon Gold. Russet potatoes work too if you prefer. And pour in 3 cups of water or vegetable broth. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of saffron water. And cover the pot. Cook it on medium heat for 20 to 25 minutes, until the potatoes turn soft. Meanwhile, in the bowl with the fried nuts, add 1 tablespoon vinegar. And toss everything well. We'll mix some into the soup, and save a little for garnish. Once the potatoes are cooked, add the nut mixture and some chopped cilantro. And just like that, our royal saffron potato soup is ready. This soup warms the body, boosts digestion, calms the mind, and saffron is known for improving mood and giving a natural glow. Almonds add healthy fats, and potatoes make it a comforting winter meal. This soup is warm, light, great for digestion, and even helps in weight loss. If you like today's recipe, please like the video and drop a comment. It really supports the channel.